Let me show you how to enable and use voice access on your Samsung S25 and S25 Ultra if perhaps you want to control your phone using your voice. First, let's go in the settings, all the way down till you see accessibility settings, interaction and dexterity, and voice access over here. So we have to first enable it. There will be a quick setup basically that you have to do basically once you enable it. So the first time it will ask a bunch more permissions, so I already had it enabled. So you see it also places this button on your screen so that you can click to essentially like turn on the voice access, and you see the phone is actually like listening and doing what you are asking. But yeah, we have to actually like do these things in a certain way. So if you go in the settings here, as you see, if you click on the voice access commands, you can learn how to basically use it here. As you see, very advanced. Okay, so let's test it a bit. Go to home screen, open calculator, go back, open settings, go back, go to home screen, open phone, dial the last number. So you see how cool this is. So you can literally just ask it anything that you want. And if you just talk, basically, as you see, it only like triggers on some specific commands. So it won't go off basically on its own mostly. So it's fairly reliable. Okay, good luck.